Telegram has rolled out such a powerful update that everything has fundamentally changed. This video will completely change your understanding of Telegram bots. The old text menus are officially dead. Today, the bot is a full-fledged application with a revived interface, colored keys, animated emojis wherever possible, full-screen effects, and avatar generation. Sales are managed by an integrated AI consultant, and inside mini apps, endless video tapes are deployed for online stores, ordering services, online courses, and interactive quests. Accept payments directly in the messenger. Moreover, bots now communicate with each other directly through the bot-to-bot function, linking any services into a single ecosystem. And the coolest thing is that every user who clicks Start Bot stays in your database forever, allowing you to send newsletters absolutely for free. In a selection of short 5-minute videos, I will clearly and without water show you how to run all this through the smart Questflow service. Without programming skills, just writing text to artificial intelligence what you need, or putting together a project using vibe coding. I have already posted all the examples and ready-made templates of multilingual bots in my Telegram channel. The free download link is right below this video. Go ahead and take it. Today, we're going to look at one of the most important marketing tools for a Telegram bot, the subscription block. This is a must-have feature that allows you to exponentially grow your Telegram audience and build a highly effective sales funnel. On the screen, you can see our familiar interface and the new block. Its main job is to check whether a user is subscribed to your Telegram channels. It works just like an automatic filter. If the user is subscribed, the bot moves them along the main sequence to unlock valuable content, a lead magnet, or access to your service. If they aren't subscribed, the bot gently but firmly prompts them to fix that misunderstanding and routes them down an alternative path. All of these checks happen instantly and are completely automated. Setting up the block. Let's set up this block together. Inside the subscription block, you have total flexibility to customize your message. You can type text, attach any media files, and use service commands. Quick reminder, in Questflow, you have access to all the trending Telegram effects, from adding animated emojis to creating vibrant, colorful buttons. If you want to dive deeper into this, definitely check out my previous video on the message block, where I revealed all the secrets of visual styling. Now, let's move on to the most important part, the logic behind channel interactions. Questflow allows you to require subscriptions, not just to one, but to an entire list of channels. For example, 3 or 4 of your resources at once. The bot will only consider a user subscribed if they have joined every single channel on that list. If even one is missing, the check fails. Inside the Telegram bot itself, these channels will be neatly displayed right below your post as convenient, interactive buttons. Step 1. Adding the bot as an admin. To make this magic work, we need to take 2 simple steps. First, we need to add our bot to the target channel as an administrator, so it has the permissions required to check the audience. To do this, go to your Telegram bot settings in Questflow, or your quiz settings, whichever you prefer to call it, and copy its username. Next, open Telegram itself, go to the channel where you are the creator, open Manage Channel, and go to the Administrators section. Click Add Administrator, paste the copied bot username into the search bar, select it, and make sure to grant it the necessary permissions to function. Click Save. The bot has been successfully added to the channel's admins. Step 2. Linking the channel to Questflow. The second step is to link this channel to the block in the builder. In Telegram, click on your channel's name and select Copy Username. This is the unique link to your resource. Head back to Questflow, Open the subscription block settings and paste the copied username into the Channel 1 field. And that's it. All that's left is to hit the Publish button to save your changes and connect the subscription block to the main sequence of your scenario. Now your funnel is fully ready to go. The bot will flawlessly verify subscriptions and guide loyal users further down the script. With Questflow, building complex, high-converting business mechanics is fast, simple, and exciting. Sign up and automate your growth today.